Hello everyone, I am Mukta from India. Let's start creating multiplication table of a number which is provided by the user. So this is the coding of the program. We will take the number from the user and by using the for loop we will start creating the table of the number which is given by user. So let's run this program. Now Toby on the stage will ask you the number for which multiplication table you want to create. So let's enter the number 9, and now Toby is saying the multiplication table on the stage and output is printing on the terminal screen. So we are going to print the table up to 10. As we have mentioned in the range, the table should be printed from 1 to 10. And after running the table, you will get the well done message. So thank you everyone for watching.